Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're logged in and ready. Start by opening the blog's theme area. First, click Customize to open the visual editor so you can change backgrounds live. Make a quick backup. Choose Theme right arrow, restore right arrow, download full template before editing. This protects you if something breaks. Once done, locate Background or Advanced Options. Those panels house image and color controls. You'll now take the first actionable steps to swap the background image or color, so proceed to upload or pick a preset. Now change the actual background. In the background panel, choose Image and either upload a file or pick a library option. You'll want to set positioning, cover for full screen, tile for repeated patterns, or fixed for parallax, because layout impacts readability. If colors conflict, add a semi-transparent overlay or tweak opacity so text remains legible. For finer control use, the advanced right arrow adds CSS box and insert rules like background size or background repeat. Make these adjustments until the preview looks right. Finish by clicking Save in the Customize editor and then open your live blog on desktop and mobile to confirm the background behaves correctly. If layout or text contrast is off, revert to the downloaded backup or undo the last CSS changes you made. That's the fastest recovery. Also clear your browser cache and test in another browser to rule out caching or browser-specific rendering. If the image isn't responsive, adjust background size to cover or remove fixed positioning. This usually resolves display problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.